Hello students, today's video we are going to solve this particular block. In any of the block, when you are going to solve, you should know what is the length, what is the width and what is the height of the particular block. In this block, length is 90, so 90, width is 60, so 60 and height is 55, so 55. So this is what we are going to consider in the first step. Now in first angle projection, always the front view will be coming in the top and the top view will be coming in the bottom. Now this will be the side view. This will be the side view. So side view is in the right hand side, so it will come to the left hand side of the front view. So this is how we are going to write down the views in this particular paper. Okay, so for that, first what you have to do is make the grid, so that is 15 mm apart. Then from that mark 90, okay, 90 and height is how much? Height is 55, so 55 and 90. You have to complete a rectangle. After that, just we will see what we can see in the front view. See, this is what we are going to see in the front view. Whatever I am painting blue will be seen as the front view. Okay, you can see this L, then you can see this U type of thing will sit in this particular gap. Okay, so when I draw it, you are going to understand. And this will be hidden. Even this you can see in the front view. Okay, so this is what we are going to see in the front view. The portion which I have colored it blue will be seen in the front view. Okay, so let's start drawing it. Now what happens is, what is the measurement here? 20. So take 20. Okay. Draw a line. Next, from here they have not given any measurement, but here they have given 25. Okay, so from here it will be 25. 25. Mark a line, point, then draw a line, then just draw a straight line, and from here also you have to drop down a straight line. Next this, okay, and you are going to connect this. So what we have formed? We have formed this L over here. Okay, now from here to here it is, they have given it as 10. So mark 10. Okay, 10. Down it is 15. So from 10 parallel to this line, take one line and mark 15. Then come here again, you have to, at 10 you have to mark another line. So the distance between these two is 10. 10. Okay, now you have to join this line like this. Okay, now this is finished. Now this is finished. This U shape is finished. See, the U has come. Now this part, what you can see here, this will come in this. The open part is there, no? So what you are going to do is just draw a line over here so that it will be completed. See here, this is the part which can be considered to display. Okay, now at this part, this is moving towards the back of this 20 mm what they have given, and at the back of this also this is moving. Okay, so what you are going to do is just take it like this and draw a dotted line from this one. So this is what is your front view, what they are going to draw. Now we will come for the plan. Okay, so plan will be all the things what I am going to color it in orange. Now this we can see in the plan. Okay, now even this we can see in the plan. Okay, now this part can be seen, and even this part can be seen in the plan. So what you are going to draw now, this will be like this. Okay, now see that. What is the dimension for this? Always when you are going to draw the plan, you have to move it towards the front here. So 90 and 60. Okay, so 60 and 90, one rectangle we have to draw. So 90, and this is 60. Now 90 and 60, then here again if I pull it towards this side, this part will come here. So from the top it is 10 and from the bottom it is 10. So draw 10. Okay, and here also it is 10. Now what is happening? From this part it is 20. So mark 20. Now this 20 is going to join at the end. That is the last point of this part, this line. See here, this line. So just join it. Just you have to join it. Okay. Then just 10 marking we have done now. From there you have to take another line over here, and from here another line over here. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3, this part is finished. Now what we have to do, we have to make this triangle. Nothing, just we have to join these two lines. Okay, if we join these two lines, you will get the plan ready. So this is your plan. See, it's so easy, isn't it? It's very easy. Now come to the side view. Side view, for side view, whatever I am painting in pink will be your side view. So this will be seen in your side view. Even this will be seen in your side view, the complete view. Okay, this complete part. So in this you can see blue and pink, both this will be seen. Okay, so one complete part, on that a U shape will be seen. Okay, so what is the height of this? It is 55, and what is the length? It is 60. So draw this. So take 60, okay, and you have to take 55. Okay, then from here it is 10, mark 10. Okay, from here also it is 10, so mark 10. Just we'll draw another line over here so that it will be completed. Yes. Now downwards 15. So 15 you can directly take from here. Okay, so you can take like this. This is 15. Now just join it. So 25, from here to here it is 25. We have marked here 25 here. So from there itself you can directly take a 25 line over here. So see here, this U is there. Okay, then this is here. Okay, now this part will be empty because here there is nothing. In this part, what in the front view what you have done, we have written a line over here, drawn a line over here. Okay, because this is coming and placing itself over this part. Now what happens is, from here when you see, this will be an open edge. This is open edge, so this will be open. Okay, so this is how we draw the views of this particular block. Now afterwards, what we have to do, we have to give all the dimensions for this. Okay, like this, draw the symbol, scale and all dimensions. Thank you. Have a nice day.